Hey guys, Lynette here, and these are the Boxyluxe spoilers for the month of September. As always, we will have a full description and list in the description box below so you guys can fully check them out and see if it's worth it. So let's get in and let's get into the spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you think? What was your favorite product? What are you excited to get? Which product? Let me know what's your favorite below. And as always, definitely, if you guys love spoilers, definitely make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next spoiler. Have a good day, guys.